Welcome to the Royal Suite.
Please be mindful of your head and the glass.
Burj Al Arab tour. We are looking forward to guiding you through this world-famous landmark and taking you on a journey which few have gone on before. Construction began on this megastructure in 1994. The island took 2 years to create. A 40-meter long bridge leading to Burj Al Arab.
Into the most exclusive part in the entire hotel. This is called the Royal Suite. This is the biggest suite we have in the hotel as it stretches over 780 square meters. That means from those silver frames over there all the way to beyond that door is just one suite.
Oh, wow.
Yes. And when you're staying here, you will get your own private butler and you also get your own private chef. I wouldn't want that. So, are you ready to see what's behind these doors?
Yes.
Well, let's look at the doors and see what happens.
Welcome to the Royal Suite, the jewel in the crown of the Burj Al Arab. Please come inside. I've been expecting you.
We'll see you around. Thank you.
Good evening. How are you? So my name is Darren and I will be your Royal Suite butler throughout your journey. It's my job to make you feel like a superstar.
We are already feeling
Yeah?
We are ready for it.
But before we begin, tell me, do you like the entrance hall? Do you like it?
Awesome.
Yeah?
This is beautiful.
Yeah, we have this beautiful staircase, golden marble staircase, 24 karat gold leaf on the ceiling, and even your very own private elevator. All designed to amaze and delight you and your guests. You can take photos and videos as much as you want, but I do ask to keep them as a group because we have so much to discover.
Okay.
So are you ready? It's absolutely a burst of colors. Look at that sunset.
Perfect timing, yeah.
Perfect timing, yeah. It's beautiful. This living room is inspired by the element of fire, as you can see. Even the walls they change color. You can see orange on this side and red on the other side because of the sunlight and its position.
Okay.
What's orange here?
Because of the sunlight.
We also have antiques and artworks from all over the world. The Japanese screen at the back. It's actually older than the country itself. It dates back to the 19th century, which is more than 200 years old. Even a gold leaf TV inside the TV room. So if you kind of think about it, 22 years ago, a 55-inch TV, it was nearly unheard of, right? A 55-inch TV, 22 years ago. Now this room that we're standing in, it was a cinema room. Yeah, we kept this TV as it's part of our history. It's 55-inch and 55 kg.
Before how many years?
22 years ago. Stunning view of the city. Beautiful, look at that. I see you impressed by the views. This is similar like the living room, but it's a majlis. Majlis is a traditional Arabic meeting space. Even to the ladybirds on the walls, you can see each ladybird was actually hand stitched with golden thread, and this is the last of its kind. You won't find it anywhere else. It matches the curtains and the duvet covers. Attention to detail. This is Hermes in the Riza size. The only hotel that does it. You can actually smell it. It's very nice. Now, if you're not in the mood for a bath, you can surround yourself with 24 karat gold.
Oh, seriously.
Now the mirror is not on top, it's at the back of the room. In our interior designers, you both last long. So the marble. And here, what I really like about this room is because you can see the 4 elements. The Royal Suite Library, it features a bathroom and a dressing room.
Okay.
It's because this one can actually be converted into a 3rd bedroom,
Oh,
if the guest wants.
okay.